Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're reviewing the Antlu Saddle Stool Rolling Chair, a versatile seating solution designed for medical, massage, salon, kitchen, and drafting environments. This ergonomic stool aims to enhance comfort and support during extended periods of sitting. Product overview. The Antlu Saddle Stool features a saddle-shaped seat cushion that promotes proper posture by reducing pressure on the back and spine. The seat cushion is thicker than conventional stools, providing added comfort. It swivels 360 degrees, allowing for easy movement across various spaces. The stool is built with a sturdy metal base, offering a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds. Its height is adjustable between 21 to 28 inches, accommodating different user preferences. Usage experience. Setting up the Antlu Saddle Stool is straightforward, requiring minimal assembly. Once assembled, the stool is easy to maneuver, thanks to its smooth rolling wheels. The saddle design encourages an upright sitting posture, which can be beneficial for individuals who experience back discomfort from traditional seating. Performance. In practice, the stool performs well across various settings. Users have reported that it alleviates back pain and promotes better posture during extended use. However, some have noted that the saddle design may cause discomfort in the groin area during prolonged sitting. Site turn Urch, pros and cons. Pro: ergonomic design supports proper posture. Thicker seat cushion enhances comfort. 360-degree swivel allows for easy movement. Sturdy metal base with a high weight capacity. Adjustable height suits various user needs. Cons: saddle design may cause groin discomfort during long periods of use. Lack of backrest may not provide sufficient support for some users. Compared to similar stools on the market, the Antlu Saddle Stool offers a higher weight capacity and a more ergonomic design. While some alternatives may include a backrest, the Antlu focuses on promoting an upright posture without additional support. Value for money. Priced competitively, the Antlu Saddle Stool provides good value for its features. Its durability and ergonomic benefits make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a comfortable seating option. Build quality. The stool's metal base contributes to its sturdiness and longevity. The seat cushion is adequately padded, though some users may prefer a softer feel. Overall, the build quality meets expectations for its price point. User-friendliness. The stool is user-friendly, with intuitive height adjustment and easy mobility. Its design encourages proper posture, making it suitable for both professionals and home users. Customer support. While specific customer support experiences are limited, the product's availability on major platforms like Amazon suggests a standard level of customer service. Real-world testing. In real-world scenarios, the stool has been used effectively in kitchens, offices, and clinics. Users have reported reduced back pain and improved posture after incorporating it into their daily routines. Updates. There are no significant updates or changes to the product since its initial release. Final verdict. The Antlu Saddle Stool Rolling Chair is a solid choice for those seeking an ergonomic seating solution. Its design promotes better posture and comfort, making it suitable for various settings. However, individuals who require back support may need to consider alternatives with a backrest. This stool is ideal for professionals in medical, massage, salon, and drafting fields, as well as home users looking to improve their seating posture. Longevity. With proper care, the Antlu Saddle Stool is built to last, maintaining its functionality and appearance over time. If you're enjoying this review, liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon will allow us to bring you more great content and help others find this video too. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to get the product in the comments box below. Feel free to ask questions about the product or share your experiences if you own it already.